Hey guys, George Alexander here, and today we are watching Game of Thrones Season 1, Episode 5. If you can't tell, I've got a cold, which is great. So, yeah, excuse if there's a bit of sniffing and coughing or whatever. But obviously I want to get these videos out for you. So we're soldiering through. So yeah, let's watch Episode 5.
Who determines the draw?
All the knights draw straws, Lord Star.
Aye. But who holds the straws?
Because he knew something, didn't he?
Done good work, sisters.
About the death of the king.
Life is strange. Not so many years ago we fought as enemies at the Trident.
I'm glad we never met on the field, Sir Barrister. As is my wife. I don't think the widow's life would suit her.
You're too modest. I've seen you cut down a dozen great knights.
My father once told me you're the best he'd ever seen. Never knew the man to be wrong about matters of combat.
He was a fine man, your father. What the Mad King did to him was a terrible crime.
That lad, he was a squire until a few months ago. How could he afford a new suit of armour?
Perhaps Lord Aaron left him some money. I hear the king wants to joust today.
Who are you?
At her dancing lessons.
Look at her face like thunder, as always.
The Knight of the Flowers.
Away.
Thank you, Sir Rose.
The Aryan race kid up there, he's gonna see his own arse, isn't he? On the poor horse.
Such a shame, little finger. It would have been so nice for you to have a friend.
And tell me, Lord Renly, when will you be having your friend?
Don't kill. No! You fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Leave him be. This madness in the name of God! Let him go!
Let him fucking go. Chop his head off, dickhead. Fucking hell, what the? Jesus Christ.
Untie me. If I die, what's the point?
Are you gonna run away? Go ahead!
I'll never shoot another arrow.
And where is that written?
You need legs to work a bow.
If the Saddle Lord Tyrion design actually works, you could learn to shoot a bow from horseback.
Really?
Dothraki boys learn when they're 4 years old. Why shouldn't you?
Can we go to the Dothraki now? And we're there. Oh. No.
Keep it down.
And what questions are they? Are we going to find out? Because she's walking down somewhere where I feel like something bad's going to happen. The hell's that? Oh my god, is it the head of a fucking dragon? It's the fucking head of a dragon. The skull?
He's found one bastard already. He has the book. The rest will come.
Oh my god, it's a dragon!
Mummy? Is that the bad man?
It is.
He's little.
He's Tyrion the Imp of House Lannister. He killed your father. He murdered the Hand of the King.
Oh, did I kill him too? I've been a very busy man.
You will watch your tongue. These men are Knights of the Vale. Every one of them loved Jon Arryn. Every one of them would die for me.
If any harm comes to me, my brother Jaime will see that they do.
You can't hurt us! No one can hurt us here! Tell him, Mummy! Tell him!
Oh, he's a spoiled little brat, isn't he?
He's just trying to frighten us. Lannisters are all liars. No one will hurt my baby.
Mummy,
And she's fucking crazy.
I want to see the bad man fly.
Perhaps you will, my little love. This man is my prisoner. I will not have him harmed. Savardus, my sister's guest is weary. Take him down below so he can rest. Introduce him to Maud.
You go sleep, dwarf man. Sleep good, little dwarf man.
Oh god.
The Targaryen girl convinces her horse-lord husband to invade. And the Dothraki horde crosses the narrow sea.
Her name is Daenerys,
We won't
okay?
be able to stop them.
Dothraki don't sail. Every child knows that.
Backstabbing and scheming and arse-licking and money-grubbing. Sometimes I don't know what holds it together.
Our marriage.
So here we sit, 17 years later, holding it all together. Don't you get tired?
Every day.
How long can hate hold a thing together?
Your 17 years is quite a long time.
It's true.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
I think if she wasn't having sex with her brother, I'd probably like her.
I felt something for you once, you know.
I know.
Even after we lost our first boy. For quite a while, actually. Was it ever possible for us? Was there ever a time, ever a moment?
No.
See, it's sad really, isn't it? Knock his blonde block off. Yeah? Dickhead, didn't have anything to do with you.
brother, Lord Stark. I want him back.
Okay, so I enjoyed that episode. I didn't enjoy it as much as I enjoyed the previous one. I can't tell why I didn't enjoy it that much. I think it was just, I don't know. I think another reason I didn't enjoy it is because fucking Daenerys wasn't in it, was she? And she's my favourite. So I'm hoping she's in the next episode. I can't wait to see what happens with Lady Stark and that storyline in terms of her sister who's fucking batshit crazy with her son. I think this episode has definitely given me like some sort of, I don't know, like emotions towards Queen Cersei, because I do feel sad for her, because her husband, she was with this husband that she loved at one point, who never loved her because, you know, he'd loved another woman and she was just there to give him kids and to carry on the bloodline, which is sad. I think that if she wasn't, as I say, if she wasn't fucking her brother, I would probably like be like on her side a lot more than she is. Brother's a dickhead. So yeah, as I say, not one of my favourite episodes, but you know, there's always those episodes that you're not going to enjoy as much as others. That's just the way it is. And I'm sure when I become a lot more invested in the programme, you know, when I've watched a couple of seasons, you know, I will understand the characters more and what's going on and what's not, so that probably will help me in terms of that. It's just hard getting to grips with all the characters and different storylines that there are, but I'm going to get there. And I still enjoyed it, and I still enjoyed watching it. It just wasn't one of those episodes where I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. But you know, there are those episodes where they are setting things up. So I can't wait to carry on the series. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Also, thank you very much. When I'm recording this, I'd gained 300 subscribers from when I first started doing these reactions. So that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. You're all amazing. I love you. And thanks for all the nice comments that you've been giving. I haven't received a bad comment yet, but I shouldn't really say that because I'm probably going to receive loads now. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that cool stuff that you do. And yeah, until next time, see ya.